So the next thing, sounds really rudimentary, but you have to decide your attitude ahead of time. Don't call in the pond at all if you have a bad attitude. Like, you shouldn't even call. But the reason that I say this, I know that sounds dumb, but like, how many times, at least for me, have you just gotten up and you're like, okay, I just got to get started with my day, and you don't take like a moment to settle into your own feelings, take an assessment of how you're doing, how you're showing up. And so the only commodity that you have to sell when you're on the phone is your own attitude and your own tone. So if you haven't premeditatedly decided how you're going to show up, you may as well just not do it. So before any time that you jump into a phone call, jump into prospecting, decide how you want to show up, check in with yourself, give yourself the opportunity to come from a place of a good attitude before you get started, right? It's better to not do something at all than do something with a bad attitude and then get rejected, and you're just wasting your time. So do what you need to do. For me, this means like standing up, sometimes taking a little walk before I would do this, doing something that makes me happy. I love pump up music. If you guys got a pump up jam playlist, that's super helpful. Forcing yourself to smile. Again, sounds super corny, but this is really important, because if you're not in the right headspace, people will hear that. It will come off. You will not make connections. People will not want to meet with you because you won't be in the right headspace, right? People are attracted to other people who are positive. We all love when we hear somebody who's happy, right? That's a natural human thing. So we have to get ourselves in that mindset where we can be happy to call people. So I know it's not something that we talk about a ton, but it's super important when you're only really selling yourself.